It's your girl Rachel, aka Endo Wife, and welcome to my channel. Today is my first video, so today is just going to be a welcome video, and it's going to be just all about me. Oh, how vain, right? But today I'm just going to explain what my channel is going to be about, so stay tuned. So as you know, my name is Rachel and I have endometriosis. So my channel is going to be based on endometriosis, but it's going to also be all things women related, all things from endometriosis all the way to mental health. But it's mainly a health promotion. It's mainly to bring awareness to endometriosis and to help women be clued up on endometriosis. I was diagnosed in 2010 and I had pain from the age of 11. So I started my periods when I was 11 years old. Yes, unfortunately for me, I was so excited, but little did I know what was to come. On average, it takes 7.5 years. 7.5 years for a young woman to be diagnosed with endometriosis. This channel is about educating yourself. It's about empowering yourself. It's about learning to love yourself, regardless of any condition, any vagina problems. It is about loving yourself and learning more about your body. I'm going to be discussing all things relationships. I'm going to be discussing all things endometriosis. It's going to be discussing, first of all, getting a diagnosis. Now, there's not going to be any filter, as I said. I'm going to be talking about my relationship, my past experience and present experience with my partners having to deal with endometriosis as well as myself. And I'm going to be talking sex. I'm going to be talking periods, treatments, discussing side effects of treatments. It's all about empowering women with the knowledge to get a diagnosis. Having pain is not normal. If you're having recurrent painful periods, that is not normal and is something that you need to seek medical advice about. A lot of women, they say, periods are supposed to be painful and, this is part of being a woman. No, it's not supposed to stop your daily routine. Having a period should not render you in bed for 7 days or however long your period is. That is not normal. So this video is for you. My channel is going to be about all things endometriosis, all things vagina problems, you name it. Unfortunately, not everybody is comfortable with this. So if you're not comfortable, please, please, please don't report this video, but just don't watch it. It's that simple. There's nothing to report. It's all for educational purposes. Now, me, I'm a very shy person. When I'm around my family, I'm fine, but around people, I'm an introvert. So this is coming out of my comfort zone, and this is going to be a learning curve for me. It's purely for empowering women. So I may have some guests who want to talk about endometriosis. So if you want to talk about endometriosis, feel free to message me, so we can get the word across. Today is Endometriosis Awareness Month, and my aim is to get the message out far and wide, as far as possible, to get these doctors clued up on endometriosis so other women don't have to wait 7.5 years or 10 years like myself. 7.5 years for a 11-year-old, a teenager, to be diagnosed with an excruciating condition. This condition is so bad, it can stop them from going to school, it can stop them from getting an education because they're not being diagnosed and they're not being given the right treatment. So this video is for you. I'm going to discuss anything related to myself, but if there's anything you want me to cover, please feel free to leave a comment, subscribe and like for more content.